and for that forsake it all. They're so hell-bent on giving, walking a wire, convinced it's not living if you stand outside the fire. Standing outside the fire, standing outside the fire. Life is not tried, it is merely survived if you're standing outside the fire. There's this love that is burning deep in my soul, constantly yearning to get out of control, wanting to fly higher and higher. I can't abide standing outside the fire.
And he does get it away. Boy, he is terrific.
Standing outside the fire. Standing outside the fire. Life is not tried, it is merely survived if you're standing outside the fire. Standing outside the fire. Standing outside the fire.
Hey, let me tell you, this kid, Matt Causey, I am very impressed. Georgetown has itself a very heady guard.
Well, he certainly do. Matt Causey could make the three-point shot. He's 3 for 4 from 3. I love the way he runs the break.
Yeah.
He's got great floor vision. Reminds me very much of Steve Nash. And the guy that won MVP of this game, Matt Causey, really dominated the game. His ability to find people in the open court and hit guys and go by people, what a terrific young player he is. He reminds me very much of Steve Nash with his ability to go by people. He's got that stop-and-go game, and his reactions when defensive guys cut in front of him are just phenomenal. He's got a good shake and bake. He's got moxie. He's got flair.
Yeah.
Love the way he plays.
He'll be in Georgetown next year. 13 points, all of them in the first half, JB, including 3 of 4 three-pointers, and he had all the numbers. He really led the charge for Team White tonight.
Ready for action, nip it in the bud, we never relaxing. Outcast is everlasting, not clashing, not at all. But see, my went to do a little acting. Now that's for anyone asking. Give me one and pass them. Drip, drip, drop, there it goes an orgasm. Now you coming out the side of your face, we tapping right into your memory banks. Thanks. So click at the ticket, let's see your seatbelt fasten. Trunk rattling like 2 midgets in the back seat wrestling. Speaker box vibrate the tag, make it sound like aluminum cans in a bag. But I know y'all wanted that 808. Can you feel that BASS bass? But I know y'all wanted that 808. Can you feel that BASS bass? I like the way you move. I like the way you move. Woo, I love the way you move. I love the way. I love the way. I love the way you move. I love the way you move. Woo, I love the way you move. I love the way. The whole room fell silent, the girls all paused with glee. Turning left, turning right, thought they looking at me. But I was looking at them, they're on the dance floor. Now they got me in the middle, feeling like a man. Especially the big girls need love too, no discrimination, here squirrel. So keep your hands off my cheeks, let me study how you ride the beat, you big freak. Skinny, slim women got the so within them, you can them, lift them, bend them, give them something to remember. Hell out timber when you fall through the chop shop. Take a deep breath and exhale. Your ex-girlfriend, boyfriend was boring as hell. Well, let me listen to the story you tell, and we can make moves like a person in jail. On the low, on the low. I like the way you move. I like the way you move. Woo, I love the way you move. I love the way. I love the way. I love the way you move. I love the way you move. Woo, I love the way you move. I love the way. I love the way. Hey, baby, girl.
man goes dancing, you know she dances while his father plays guitar. She's suddenly beautiful, and we all want something beautiful. Man, I wish I was beautiful. So come dance the silence down through the morning. Sha la 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 la, yeah. Yeah. Cut up, Maria. Show me some of them Spanish dances and pass me a bottle, Mr. Jones. Believe in me, help me believe in anything, 'cause I wanna be someone who believes. Yeah. Mr. Jones and me tell each other fairy tales, and we stare through beautiful women. She's looking at you, oh no, no, she's looking at me, smiling in the bright lights coming through in stereo. When everybody loves you, you could never be lonely. Well, I'm gonna paint my picture, paint myself in blue, red, black, and gray. All of the beautiful colors are very, very meaningful. Yeah, well, you know gray is my favorite color. I felt so symbolic yesterday. If I knew Picasso, I would buy myself a gray guitar and play Mr. Jones and me. Look into the future. Yeah, we stare at the beautiful women. She's looking at you, I don't think so. She's looking at me, standing in the spotlight. I bought myself a gray guitar. When everybody loves me, I will never be lonely. I will never be lonely. Said I'm never gonna be lonely. I wanna be a lion. Yeah, everybody wanna pass as cats. We all wanna be big, big stars. Yeah, but we got different reasons for that. Believe in me, 'cause I don't believe in
Matthew? Matt, give me an interview. How many points? Mostly how many fails? You almost failed out, Matt. And there's Jimmy. That's okay. Jimmy was one of our stars, too. Oh, don't touch the camera. Coach, how'd you do? One more game and